Welcome to the academic writing workshop. Today I will discuss overview and the importance of academic writing. Let's start with this great saying. In science, the credit goes to the man who convinces the world, not to the man to whom the idea first occurs. This is the reason why academic writing is so important. Academic writing is a process of writing analytically so that people will understand it. It is clear, concise, structured, and evidence based. It is not complex and does not require long sentences and complicated vocabulary. What makes a good writer? Involved talent, years of English classes, artistic nature, influence of alcohol and drugs, divine inspiration? No. Clear, effective academic writing can be learned. Academic writing list includes book reviews, essays, research report, research proposal, scientific paper, academic journals, dissertation and thesis, abstract, and so on. Looking at the recent trends of academic writings in Nepal, almost 68 biomedical journals indexed in NAPJOL and 5 PubMed indexed journals. There is increasing interest in publishing in online journals. The reasons are increased availability of internet access and awareness about benefits of publication. But we have the challenges like high publication charge and poor English and writing style. Why should we write? The most common answer is to get promotion or degree like PhD and so on. We write to contribute to the related field of science and for the betterment of the service as a whole. Publication is the final step of research. If it is not published, it is not done. Any journal is better than no journal at all. Every thesis is to be published. Online digital technology has changed the academic community remarkably for interaction, career development, funding, citations, and so on. A number of social network sites and bibliographic databases are available. Many ways to evaluate our academic achievement or currency listed in CV, Service Commission, institutional website, ResearchGate, Google Scholar, and so many. Google Scholar profile gives both quantity and quality of publication. It also gives I10 index, means number of publication with 10 citations. H index means the most cited papers. Probably the researcher gets award, top position, and even Nobel Prize. Academic writing process includes getting an idea, planning, initial draft, internal peer review, revision, and submission to the journal. For academic writing, we have to set goals. SMART, which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Coming to the author's priorities for journal selection: impact factor, reputation, access to the target audience, editorial standard, publication speed, and open access. In conclusion, we have to contribute to the science. Without publication, science is dead. Thank you.